Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make some plant-based burgers. Let's get to it. For the ingredients you'll need salt and pepper, smoked paprika, mayo, Worcestershire sauce, olive oil, thyme, mustard, pickles, ketchup, cheese, lettuce, onion, lemon, tomato, avocado, potatoes, and your plant-based burgers. Cut the potatoes into little cubes. Add a little bit of olive oil. Add some thyme to it. Add salt and pepper. And mix it up. Add it to your air fryer or oven. And roast it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Peel half an onion and cut it into thin slices. Next, slice up the tomato. Cut the lettuce in half. Now slice 2 pickles. Cut an avocado in half. Now that our add-ons are ready, we'll start grilling our plant-based burgers. Add some olive oil to a pan. Add the burgers to medium-low heat. Now we season one side with salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Now cook it for 3 minutes before flipping it. Now flip the burgers. Now that the burgers are cooking, we're going to make the sauce. Squeeze the lemon juice in a bowl. Next, add a generous scoop of mayo. Add ketchup and finish it off with Worcestershire sauce. Now whisk it all up. Now add the cheese. Toast the bread. Add mustard and cocktail sauce to the other side. Now add the burger to the bread. Add the avocado to one side. Pickles, some onions, tomatoes, and finally lettuce. Now cut it in half. And now for the best part, we're going to taste it. So good. I hope you enjoyed this episode. We'll see what we're gonna cook up next.